Hello, Assalamualaikum viewers. My name is Shajil Khan, and today we have discussed how to upload data in the table using data load definition in Oracle Apex. So, first of all, we have a table app user and column user ID, username, gender, salary, department ID. We have five columns and using for this table for loading data. So we create an Excel sheet for this five columns with a sample record. So let's suppose we add user ID. Username, gender, salary, department ID. Gender, salary, and department. Right. So we have add five column: user ID, username, gender, salary, department ID. Now we enter the record one. So we added up five columns record and ready to sample file for loading in the table. Okay, now save this file for your directory sample data. Okay, now close this Excel file and go to the Apex and go to the shared components and data load definition and create a data load definition from the scratch. And now type the name of data collection. Okay, and add the table name. This is my table name, app user. Okay, and drag and drop the sample file here. Oracle Apex data load definition. When you create first time data load definition, so you add the sample file for mapping the table column for Excel column. So let's suppose we add the sample file, and next, and this is your user ID map to user ID, username map to username, gender map to username, salary map to salary, and department ID map to department. And if you normally create a data load definition, so you press the create data load, create the data load if you add the page for uploading purpose, so you create an add page. So now create an add page and file uploader page, and maximum file size 5. You increase the file size and now create. Now we check, first of all, data is empty for this table. Now when we create the data load definition, so data source region, upload file, and this is page 2 page item. This is file page item for file browsing and supported the XLS file, and storage type table apex application temp file. Okay, if you allow multiple files, so you on this switch allow multiple files for uploading multiple files. And this is your file size. I'm using 40 MB file size. If you increase file size, so input the file size. And main purpose for this region, file name, for display the only the loaded file plain text in item value. And important for this page, for free view main query for storing the data and display the data. So this is your report query for storing the data in Apex application temp file. This is your blog content, file name. This file name, if you add the file name, so input the file name, Excel sheet file name, sample files role, maximum rows 100. So this is your report query. Let's suppose we have a five table column: user ID, username, department, and default this report stored the 10 columns. If you use the table on 20 columns, so you increase the columns name till column 300. Add more columns for this report. Okay, so now save and run. Now this is your uploader page. Now we add the file upload sample data. So this is your user ID, username, gender, salary, and department ID. When you load the data, so data load finishing 4 row process it. Now go to the table and refresh the data and look at the data load successfully in your table using data load definition uploader sample. So hopefully you clearly for this uploading purpose in Oracle Apex. Thank you for watching video.